plant flowers outside, right?
63 degrees.
Right, I was going to say,
record.
Celebrated Valentine's Day with my wife on Saturday because it was 63 degrees, sunny out, and, you know, it just seemed appropriate, and I'm glad we did because it might be a little bit difficult to get out and about today.
Yeah, and a lot of school delays and cancellations coming in, and we'll be shoveling snow here this morning. It's still falling across Rhode Island and southeastern Massachusetts, but the end is in sight. The snow has come to an end across almost the entire state of Connecticut. If we get in close here, you can still see some moderate snow falling in northern Rhode Island along parts of 295 and down into 95 through the West Bay. And we have some bands of more moderate snow over Buzzards Bay and the Cape Cod Canal this morning as well. It will be winding down from west to east. I want to show you these snowfall totals. Some of these numbers just coming in this morning, and we're now up to 8 inches in Taunton and in Richmond. Barrington with closing in on 7 inches of snow, Cranston with 6, and at last check New Bedford with about 3. Here's what we're expecting to end up with. Most of us in that range of 4 to 8 inches. We have a couple of spots that get a little over 8 inches, so we're picking up another small amount of accumulation before this winds down. Here's what we're looking at for the end time. So now through about 7 o'clock for most of Rhode Island as you head into Fall River, New Bedford, and Plymouth County. It'll be more in that 7 to 9 a.m. range, and then across far eastern Mass over the Cape between 9 and 11 o'clock this morning. So plan on a slow commute into work. That's why our threat tracker is bumped up for this morning. We'll drop it back down to green for this afternoon, but it's going to be a blustery and cold day with wind chills in the single digits most of the day. Roadways still, they're slow going. It looks like the plows came through at least one pass here down by the beach in Narragansett, but you're still going to find those snow-covered and slippery spots as you head out to begin your morning, even up through the Providence area, too. Here's the culprit, area of low pressure passing pretty far offshore for the amount of snow that it delivered to our area. It was over a 24-plus hour time frame, but it did add up, especially as the sun went down yesterday evening and the temperatures have been dropping. We're down to 19 in Smithfield, 24 if you're out the door in Providence this morning, 23 in New Bedford and Newport, and Westerly at 22 with wind chills mostly in the teens. We're starting to see some single-digit wind chills in Willimantic and in Smithfield. Winds will be picking up with some gusts as high as 25 to 35 miles per hour. So here's a look at the hour-by-hour forecast. I mentioned that winding down over the next 2 hours in Rhode Island, taking a little longer across southeastern Massachusetts before that snow finally comes to an end. Afternoon temperatures only between 20 and 25 degrees. Skies will be clearing out, though. I do expect it to be a mostly sunny finish to the day, and then this evening and tonight going to be quite cold. Here's a look at the afternoon wind chills. Actually, all day wind chills from 9 o'clock this morning into the afternoon, sitting around 5 to 10 degrees. It will be a cold night and still a blustery one with the overnight lows down between 5 and 10 above. It's going to create wind chills near and below 0 early tomorrow morning. We do have some moderating temperatures in the forecast. This morning, the snow winds down. Blustery temperatures will be up near 30 tomorrow. That's still cooler than normal. Plenty of sun in the morning, and then ending the day with partly cloudy skies. Increasing clouds on Wednesday, the highs near 40. Thursday into Friday, we've got some evening and nighttime rain. Temperatures will be climbing all the way into the night on Thursday and then falling through the day on Friday. So that 55-degree high on Friday, likely before the sun comes up. We'll see some driving rainfall, so a lot of melting and potential for some street flooding as that comes through.